The intention of Digital Village is really to try and provide a way for freelancers to work in a way that is in line with who they are and how they want to live their life.
I think one of the biggest issues and one of the greatest challenges that businesses face when it comes to technology is being able to encapsulate value within their business using technology and reliably using technology to deliver value in their business in a reliable way.
Organisations are needing to adapt to market changes faster, so they're needing to become more agile in how they operate their business and how they engage with their customers and how they bring new value propositions to new markets.
Digital Village is so relevant right now is it kind of joins up the dots in the way that technology gets delivered. So there've always been a very large cohort of very talented people out there in the marketplace who've been able to design and develop solutions, and there have always been customers who've needed those kind of skill sets. And the way that they've accessed them in the past is perhaps through recruitment agencies or through word of mouth or through people in their own businesses understanding where those individuals exist. So what Digital Village has been able to do is to join those two resources together and deliver solutions quickly.
So the need for flexibility is super important, and the way that they engage people through employment is changing as well. The way of employment is shifting away from doing a 9 to 5 and you stay in that job for your whole career to choosing what work that you want to work on, choosing who you want to work with, and working from wherever or in a way that is in line with themselves and how they want to live their life. So the flexibility that organisations need is the flexibility that people want. So that's where Digital Village comes in to actually facilitate that engagement on project work.
One of the things that motivates me is when organisations are building something with a real singular purpose and a real goal, where it's not just profit focused, it is really about making a difference in some manner. And that's what keeps me excited about this industry. And I don't think there is any other industry where you can move on a dime and new technology is created and then the paradigm shifts.
One of the biggest benefits that clients can get from bringing freelancers in is, first of all, having people on a very flexible basis. They can get a wide array of skills available, and they can get those skills when they need them. And so it's very difficult to develop a very broad range of internal capability, but that capability is always available to you when you go outside the company.
So I think traditionally when organisations have gone out into the market to get freelancers or small teams, unless they're sophisticated buyers, there is a big risk there, because they'll advertise for a role. They may not necessarily know exactly what kind of technical capability they need to have, and of course they won't necessarily have had experience of working with them. So I think what Digital Village has been able to do is to kind of remove some of those risks, because they've got a detailed database on the individuals within project teams, so they can very precisely put together a team that meets the needs of the client, knowing that the individuals have got proven experience in delivering those particular technologies or that particular kind of solution. So they mitigate risk for the client, and they also speed up how fast they can put those teams together, and they're providing a kind of an insurance policy that the teams that they're putting together, they are really underwriting to say they can deliver on this solution.
So the strength of Digital Village is its scope and flexibility. Because of that, you're not constrained by the skill set of a small digital team. You've got multiple digital teams, multiple types of people that have experience that can be brought to bear no matter what the problem is. And that mixing and matching is, I think, the key strength of Digital Village.